Hello friends, malfunction breakdown of the generator are classified into mechanical and electrical. Pressure brushes, bearings, pulley, overrunning clutch, damage and disturb of the hull. In case of electrical faults, the warning is closed, it's broken, and the carbon brushes are worn out. Failure of the diode bridge and voltage regulator. Cause excessive load. When energy-intensive consumer, music, TV, inverters, etc. are connected to the standard wiring, peak overload, for example, lighting up another car with the engine running or a short circuit in a circuit. Short circuit of the windings often happens after washing a hot engine. Cold water enters the heating winding from which the lacquer insulation of wire cracks, and with further increase in moisture, a short circuit occurs. Driving through puddles. The mechanism of action is the same as when washing the engine. Further ventilation of the winding must be in a clean condition. That's all guys. Subscribe to our channel, put like and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.